Want to earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals faster? Look no further than online surveys. These surveys offer a straightforward way to make money without any hassle. Discover the top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site has its own availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so you can choose the one that suits you best. When selecting survey sites, it's important to consider factors such as reputation, the number of surveys available, and payout methods. To maximize your earnings, complete your profiles accurately, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Additionally, follow best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Be on the lookout for warning signs that may indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate, and on average, they take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some survey sites even offer instant cash or provide signing bonus points as incentives. Remember, companies rely on individuals like you to take surveys and gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today by participating in online surveys.